How are you? I hope you are doing well. And this video will discuss about Werenode, and we will discuss about why they choose to use this blockchain. So Tezos is one of the fast growing blockchain, and Tezos is an innovative blockchain with smart contracts they have in mind. So Tezos is working on LPOS protocol, and so it is so Tezos is fast enough as compared to other blockchain. So the very fast transaction you can do, and a block lasts 30 seconds, and transaction bandwidth is 40 TPS. So almost they charge zero fees. Its fees is very less if you compare with its Ethereum or different others. So ERC20 transaction is very high fee. So it's almost charged $40, but Binance Smart Chain is great, but it's also charged $0.5, so it's still costly. But Tezos is transaction is below 0.01, so it's almost they charge zero fees. Okay, so you can see it's Werenode smart contracts. Okay, so Werenode is using Tezos token. That's called, so the name of the token is Werecoin. Okay, so its short form is WRC, and you can see it's you can track live transaction here. And so if you're interested in its investment, just go to investment session, and just you need to just register on it. After registration you will receive your confirmation email. You need to just confirm it. When you confirm it, then you can buy it. So you can see it's supporting hardware. So Werenode is providing you different types of hardwares like wall boxes. So if your wall boxes is connected and compatible with OCPP standard, that is an easy game. So it can be natively integrated Werenode environment without any change on your equipment. So the next is EV charges. So EV charges are rarely OCPP compliant. So they have an IoT server to connect to certain EV charges. So you can connect to certain EV charges, and we are extending it to be compatible with more and more models. So you can read about its Wi-Fi plugs. Yes, Wi-Fi plug can also be integrated into Werenode environment. So if you have a Wi-Fi plug, you can integrate into Werenode environment. So through our IoT servers, so you can simple plug. So it's a good point of its hardware. Okay, so you can see it's if you see it's a contract address, just go to this website and you can see it. So you can see it's the main address that is available. So you can see it. You can see the different transfers that people have done. Okay, so you can see it. So you can register your equipment if you have any equipment. So you just fill this form and you can register on it. So you can see it's go to its blog session. You can see it's different types of people's different types of blogs they have written. Okay, so you can see it's about watch this video about Werenode MVP is live, featuring the first blockchain framework that's allowed to create and manage electric vehicle charges infrastructure and pay an EV charge with a dedicated token. So name of the token is Werecoin. So you can see it's the Werenode smart contracts mainnet. So they have planned to launch mainnet. Okay, so they have many good plans. You can see it's the meet Werenode POC, and you can read about its different others. So you can see the social medias like Twitter, Telegram. You can read about its technical documentation where you get more info about this project. So where and coin offering listing and ICO holders. So you can read about it. So you can read about different types of articles about Werenode. So it's financing innovations. So Werenode is releasing its stuff. You can read it's a white paper where you get the more info about this project. So if you're doing any kind of investment in this project, you must need to read its white paper. So thanks for watching.